Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can get airdrops of FairStake. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So FairStake is the first decentralized staking protocol on the Zkfair network. So I made a separate video as to how you can buy Zkfair, but in this video I will show you shortly as to how you can get Zkfair's token and stake it. So if we talk about the FairStake token, the total supply is 10 billion, and it's a very fair launch to be honest, because 95% of the tokens would be like airdrop to users and investors alike. So if we check over here, 22% would be airdrop to the community and 73% would be the staking airdrop. So the staking airdrop is basically if you stake Zkfair on maybe FairStake, or there is one more option which I will show you in the later part of this video. So over there you can go ahead and check the airdrop, and the best part about this is like you keep getting daily airdrops on this. Now if you don't know how to buy Zkfair tokens, I would suggest is have an account on Bitget, where you can buy Zkfair and transfer it to your MetaMask or maybe Bitget wallet. Now, if you don't have an account on Bitget, you can use the sign up link in the description, where you will be getting 1000 USDT newcomers gift package. So that is my referral link. You can use it to support the channel. Now, rather than staking over here, I would suggest is go to zkfair.io and go to Fair Launch over here. And as you can see, the current FairStake airdrop is live, and like there is 73% for the staking rewards and 22% for the community. And there's also something called as a ZKF domain, which is like optional. If you stake like more than 100,000 ZKF tokens, then you can get a custom domain for 1 USDC. Now if we talk about the rules for this airdrops, so as you can see, the first point is during the participant period, stake points will be randomly snapshot once a day, which I will show you in some time. And this is second for this held ZKF. So even if you hold like ZKF tokens and do not stake it, still you will be eligible to receive this FairStake airdrops. And the third one is the domain one. So the fourth point is domains of different length will have different weights. 3 character domains will have weight of 5, 4 characters will have 2. So you can have a look at it. Now I will tell you like the more amount of Zkf tokens you stake, and for the longer period, the more points you will receive. So we will simply go on stake over here, click on stake, and if we go down, we will need to connect our wallet. The best wallet to be honest is like MetaMask or maybe Bitget wallet you can use. There is OKX wallet also that you can use, but I will go ahead and connect my Bitget wallet over here. It will ask me to put in my password. I will simply go and put in my password. So it's showing incorrect password. I will put it again. Now I will go ahead and connect it, and it will ask to change the network to Zkfair. Now as you can see, I have staked like 50,000 Zkf tokens, and there is some amount of balance left, and my pool share is like pretty small over here. And as you can see, I am getting like daily profits over here. Now if we go and click on stake over here, and this is the stake list. So I'm getting like 50,000 ZKF point. And now what we will do is we'll click on stake, and over here we'll click on stake, and here you will need to select the period as to how much you want to stake this for. For let's say if you want to stake this for like 4 years, which is like 48 months, and let's say if you want to like stake 100,000 ZKF tokens, in this case you will be getting like more than 100 million stake points. And this is the estimated daily profit of 1.25 dollars. Now what happens is like more the points, the more the airdrops that you will be getting on this FairStake. So currently I have pretty less point, and as you can see, in one day I got like 7.73 FairStake tokens. If I would have like staked my ZKF tokens for a longer term, then I would have got more. So this is how you can keep getting like airdrops by simply staking Zkfair. And please don't forget to actually go ahead and stake Zkfair, because for FairStake airdrop, this is only till 4th of February 2024. So this is all about how you can get FairStake airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.